So today is August 1, 2026. Um yeah, so last week I didn't do a video, but this week I'm gonna like catch up. Nothing really much happening. I mean in I haven't this week I didn't took trade that for like 2 days, and then the other days I just like basically just play around with day trades. No swings in this like environment, especially longs. Um, QQQ is just below all the moving average, like the 10, the 20, and the 50. Um, this year I was thinking to short here against the moving average when it started rejecting, but it was late day and I was not already in the computer no more. But it was gonna be like a good short. It was just like a really good short. I was thinking to in here again. But I feel we already like extended. We probably gonna maybe we're gonna touch the 200. So maybe if we start like on Monday rejecting this area, we push it, we start rejecting. Maybe I take a short um to the 200 for the QQQ. Yeah, but this week I have a lot here in my watch list, but there is no setup. This is mostly like just watch. Like for example, this meta I'm just watch. I should have bought here. We got so extended to the downside on earning. Was really like a good buy, but now I'm waiting for to push. If we can push in like again another day and we start rejecting here, maybe for like a short. I'm starting to like follow up on like stocks that I think they are like good shorts. I'm studying more like the short side right now. I just do like long swing longs like breakouts and flags. But now I'm starting to another setup that I've been looking that is being working a lot is shorting against the moving average of like these stocks that broke the 20 and the 50, like for example AMD. AMD, and which one was the other one? I think SNDK was. Yeah, SNDK here. I was thinking about shorting it here, and then here in this uh day here, and it was gonna be like a good short there too. And me, um, yeah, again like against the moving average here. On the gap up here, I thought also about shorting, but I mean I'm just tracking them because I'm not really confident shorting for now. For this week, well, one of my main watch gonna be Tesla. It looks like we curving to start rising. I probably if we start like maybe I take a long on if the market is good on Monday. Maybe take a long here and then just hold it until the 10 here, like for like a small bounce. This is gonna be my main watch this week. Also watching like crypto. Even if we reject it and it looks like we're going down, this BMNR looks like it's holding here. If we start breaking like 18, I might take like along here. Uh, for the 200, the moving average are already like aligning, kind of like curving. So this is another main watch for the week. Maybe for Monday, maybe not. But that's another one. And then these other slow stock like uh Macy's have a really good flag in this area. About 25. They're gonna take like a small position. I mean, the thing with this stock is like they're super slow. and also they're like in random like um groups, even though retail and travel are on food stocks. I'm more like defensive. I'm being good on biotech. Um, but yeah, this Macy looks good. This flag I might take some on Monday, and then this one looks good for me too. But it's a low volume, and so I seen some oil stocks that are starting to like perk up back. This one also for Monday. Those gonna be like my three main focus for Monday: Tesla, PG, and Macy's, and a little bit of BMNR. Those are gonna be like my main probably for Monday. Yeah, I have other on watch. I was watching is AMD. I'm just watching. No, said I'm just watching. Snow. I'm just watching because I wanted to see how this breakout is gonna hold. If he just reverse or if he just consolidate again and keep pushing. This one I'm gonna try out. This one it also looks good. This flag too. It's gonna be probably for Monday or Tuesday too. Metals and oil. And this HPE. It's been like a really like good range here in this area. I mean rejected like all this time again $50. If he start breaking 50 and it holds for one day, this really could go back highs. But it's the only one. It's the only one in this in the groups that is still holding because um everything else already pulled back. So this one is the only one holding. That's what I'm watching. Um, yeah, and some software, PanW and CRWD are after the move, they pull back, they hold a 50, and now they perking again. I'm gonna be watching these two software too. Wanted like maybe like one more day too on this one. So yeah, I'm just really watching to see if these setups start working so I can start taking more position. But right now, everything is not like I said, 90% is not getting followed through. You get like a follow through in like one stock of like 20 your watch list, something like Snow that got a follow through. I think Dido was setting up too. Um, yeah. Not a lot getting follow through, so I'm just like waiting and see if he's getting follow through. But I might play like some on Monday and Tuesday, really small position to see if they start breaking already. Um, yeah, it's gonna be my watch list spaces. I'm just watching to remembering that I missed a short here. I mean I took it and I sold it like the next day. Should have hold it. Was gonna be like crazy good trade. Probably should take this one on my watch list and keep looking at it. And Amazon, just watching Amazon with that big gap, basically like probably save uh the market with the really big gap that got. So Amazon holding is gonna be really important this week for the indices. Um, yeah, the account 11,015. I was like a 40. I think I lost some this week. I think and last week. Um, yeah, my trade Sila for this week. I didn't trade Monday and Tuesday. I mean, this past week, and then the other days were just like really small trades. Um, so yeah, July was a negative month, but it was just negative 13, so it really doesn't matter. yeah, let's see if we can close strong for the rest of the. We already more than half of the year already, so let's see if we can close strong and make at least 20 to 30% this year. That's a goal. First year swing trading, and I think that's it.